Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the ability of this Oxpecker in Grow Garden game of Roblox new Safari update. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is one of the pet from the Safari egg and you will have 49% possibility to get this Oxpecker. And I have already unlocked this Oxpecker and I'm going to place it on my garden. Okay, and I'm going to show you the ability of this pet or what this pet can do. I'm going to view the ability. Okay, and basically it can make the cooldown time faster or less. Okay, and yeah, it's good enough, but it's not that OP. But yeah, it can help you to reduce the cooldown time of the Safari type pets, and these are the Safari type pets. And okay guys, that's all the ability of this Oxpecker pet in Grow Garden. If you have a lot of Safari pets, it will be so useful and it's worth keeping on your garden. And okay, I hope this video will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching and bye.